Respected sir, teachers and my dear friends, good afternoon. We are a team from class 7th. I am Lakshmi Madhavi, she is Zaina, she is Kalyani, she is Ashrita and she is Mubashira. Today we are performing a skit on how water is getting polluted and how can we save water for future generation. In this skit my role is water god. I am a singer. I am CID officer. We are all-rounders. क्या पानी दे दोगी? अभी देती हूँ. अरे मेरे पास भी पानी नहीं है. क्या तुम्हारे पास पानी है? चलो कुआं से ले आते हैं. है इतनी गर्मी, इतनी धूप, जाने तो पड़ेगा है. ठहरो ठहरो, हम सब चलते हैं. इतना सुंदर मंदिर, चलो चलते हैं. ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण होना रे. ओ पालनहारे निर्गुण होना रे. तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं. हमरी उलझन सुलझाओ भगवान. तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं. तुमने हमका हो सहाले. तुमरे ने हमने रखवाले. तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं. तुमरे बिन हमरा कौन नहीं. काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ. काले मेघा पानी तो बरसाओ. बिजली की तलवार नहीं, बूंदों के बाण चलाओ. मेघा छाए बरखलाए, गिर गिर आए, गिर की आए. The function today is to highlight the significance of water in our life and I need to be aware of conserving and maintaining it. We only know that 3/4 of this earth is covered with water and it is a precious thing. The purifier of water is lost due to many reasons. If you don't save water, you will not live in future. Can you help me save water? राम की कहानी जिसमें ना राजा है ना रानी. तोड़ा नया है तोड़ा पुरानी. पानी की कहानी भाई पानी की जुबानी. The most important thing in this world is water. All the living beings need water to sustain. All flowing rivers are the representation of my existence. I give life to the entire world, including humans, animals, birds, trees, by providing with drinking water. So I am the main cause of your existence. I make the fields green. But greedy humans have polluted water bodies to industrialization. And even in this 2022, people are thirsting for a single drop of water. So is it not your responsibility to clean and protect the rivers? आप सभी मेरे रक्षा करो. बोलिए ना. Get up child, you're getting late to school. Today water tanker भी नहीं आएगा. I have only one water bottle. I will spray it on your face. Don't want to go to office? I have not taken bath from last 4 days. हाय ये पानी की परेशानी का क्या करूं? कैसे नहा लूं? ये छोटी छोटी बातें पर है अंजम बड़ा. जिसके घर में ज्यादा पानी छापा वही पड़ा. I am from CID. You have stored water at home. Where did you get water? I will arrest you. No sir, that water we want to donate to people. No, we don't know. We will take action on you. संसार कहाँ रुकने वाली थी बड़ी रोयानी. पानी पहले ही महंगा था और कीमत पड़ा डाली. News Bulletin. Due to shortage of water, third world war has been started. This is the biggest problem of the world. Life on the earth is in danger. This is the serious matter. We have to solve it. This is S. Kalyani from NDTV channel. Thank you. How water is getting polluted. Drainage water get mixed up with pure water and it spoils the water. Chemical factory releases its waste such as lead, sulfur, mercury into the water. Bacteria get into the water while taking baths of humans and animals. nitrates mix up with groundwater while using fertilizers to the crops. Water can be polluted to the local flora and fauna. Water color is changing, temperature also changing. When coal is burned, the ashes will mix up with atmosphere from there to water vapor, and it may cause acid rain. Where are you? Ji Malik, bring the pipe and wash the car. Ji Huzur, you can clean the car with one bucket of water. Who are you to tell me this? It's my car, it's my problem. I will decide what to do. Neighbor friend, why are you speaking loudly? See, your tank is overflowing. आप अपने घर में टाइमर क्यों नहीं लगाते हैं? See, so much of water is wasting. I don't understand why nobody is thinking what I am saying. कैसा होगा सुरक्षित पानी? सब लोग विचार करो. आज समझ गई? जरा think about this. अब मेरी चलने की तैयारी. पानी बचे, धरती बचे. अब यह आपकी जिम्मेदारी है. Save water, save life. No water, no life. Reuse water, please. समझ में आई आज. अरे बिटिया तेरी बात. हमसे हो रहा यह पाप. पानी अब ना होगा बर्बाद. रहेगा जीवन भी आबाद. आप इन सब बातों से सहमत है? जल बचाओ जीवन बचाओ. जल है तो जीवन है.